face of our industry right now, and I just, you know, he's like a rock star, right? But I just shot him a Facebook message Friday, and he picks up the phone and calls me. You know, that's just the kind of guy that he is. So we appreciate what he's doing for sure, and he appreciates you guys, I'm sure. So
each one of you guys probably had valleys and struggles, and you will never be great without valleys and struggles. That a valley and a struggle is greatness, and it is something that you have to go through to learn to rise up to high levels. You need to become an engineer. You need to become all these. You're taking your talent from the machines, and not everybody understands how that brain works in there. So we need to start treating our programmers like rock stars, because the ones who are efficient are rock stars, and you're solving the right problems, and you deserve something.
We're going to teach you guys skills. You're going to be able to leave here, run a lathe, run a mill, do multi-ax work, do some programming work, but that's not going to separate you. What's going to separate you is what I was talking about in class this morning. It's about passion. It's about creativity. It's about thinking outside the box. It's about how can you push yourself and your machine.
The more that you learn, the better. The more that you actually make money. You know what I mean? And your value, because that's what, you know, at the end of the day, you know, you want to love your job, but you want to be able to take care of your family. You want to be able to take care, provide for your kids, or your kids that you're going to have, and be able to give them opportunities and not be in a position where you're like, oh, I know you deserve that, but I can't, you know? This trade can give you that. Life is levels, this trade is levels, and just take it serious. Just take it serious, and don't miss out on an opportunity. You get an interview, you got somebody speaking to you, make sure that you look them in that eye and be very direct about, you may not know everything, these are the things you can do, but nobody's gonna outwork, out-hustle you, and you put the time in, and people love that. But then you gotta have action behind the words.